sea is actually the Tasman Sea. Tasman Sea is the sea that connects between Australia and New Zealand. And there is also another beach on that side where you see those people in the rock area. Farther from that is another beach. We are going there now. Oh, nice. There is one tent in there. That's the kind of tent that I want to buy. That's a little expensive, more than $100. I saw it from Anaconda, from eBay, Amazon. I'm always checking, but yeah, that guy just put the tent in there, not in the caravan park. So it means that I can do that too. That is actually one of my worries, where to camp. Maybe it is illegal to camp in the area. And this beach is called Kingsley Beach. As you can see, it's going down. I explored already most of the beaches here in Nelson Bay, Port Stephen area. Yeah, even here in Anna Bay, I've seen already. But I never experienced to swim because I'm really not a big fan of swimming. Yeah, so there are those people, and this is how it is. We're not going down because yeah, this is already pretty much it. Yeah, it's beautiful. I remember that there is a way in here before. I think it's gone already. Yeah, this one. Yeah, if you go that side, there is like a small cliff. You see the whole beach. The wind breeze is just good, but yeah, I'm starting to feel the heat of the sun. So we're going to take this out. I think they choose this beach because this one is secluded. When you greet the people, they reply good day. When I say good morning, they say good day. If they are not Australian, they will also say good morning. And now we are going back to the main road, and like what I've said, the only way to go out is the same way that we get in. You maybe are wondering how can I get easily up here, because I'm having electric bike. Coming from Anna Bay, we are now here in 1 Mile Beach. You see that there are so many cars and many people, and inside there is the caravan park. Caravan park is a good business this summer, every summer. And there is also a restaurant here.
I don't think we walk back.
We're not going to the restaurant because I'm still full, and we are going this way. And this is how it is. Look at that. There are so many people. A majority of the people that I am seeing here are surfer, and of course there is life-saving people in here. And I'm actually thinking of going straight to the next beach, which is the Samurai Beach. And that Samurai Beach is a nude beach. I mean, it is okay to wear your clothes, but also it's okay to be nude. Okay, that's it for now, and we are heading to the next beach. We stop here because from time to time you're going to see a place like this. There is a small access going to the 1 Mile Beach. Yeah, we're not going that way because it's not bike friendly. Mostly they are sand, and these people, they are usually surfers. That is the Middle Rock Caravan Park in Hinya Holidays, rock pools, and beside that is this Samurai Beach. And also next to that is this Kuala San Quarry. That is also a caravan park. I tried to drive, but it's actually impossible. Yeah, this dry sand, yeah, almost like a dust, is very soft, and yeah, the wheel is going down. But we will keep on going. Yeah, with the help of electric motor, I was able to come here. This is actually a one-way road, so the people, I mean the cars, they are giving way to each other. I started to push from that side, and I was thinking that it is going to be the same pushing, hard pushing all the way to the beach area. I am thinking of just leaving the bike here, but I don't know. Front. Yeah, I'm seeing the sign saying thank you. Look at this caravan. Yeah, just like this one, they give way again to each other. Okay, I'm decided we're not going through this way. I will try to find another way, so we go back. And it is now heading back to Nelson Bay. But if I'm not mistaken, there is a one-way here going to that Samurai Beach. We will try if we can. So this is the one, big rocky truck, and yeah, there are some cars in here. Okay, we are now here. I saw a couple. They are going to free one like a mouse, a big mouse. I forgot the name, but I know that. Yeah, yeah, that's good. They are going to free it in the wild. There is another way in here going to, I'm not really so sure, but I've been here before, but I give up. I come back and didn't really experience what is in there. I am now a little bit closer, but yeah, this is like this. I am wearing a shirt, and I'm scared of a snake. Yeah, and we are now here. I put my bag in my shoulder because yeah, the wheel is keep on rolling without moving, because this bag is a little heavy. And we are now here, but there is this sand dunes. This is the dead end. How can I go to the other side? We're going to leave the bike here. Okay, we start to go up, and I'm wearing these shoes. I like it because the sand will not go inside. Look, the sand is very fine. Oh, it's still going inside. And we are now here. Amazing. Yeah, we are on top of the trees, but I'm very tired. And this is how it is. Whew. Beautiful. I can feel that there are some sands inside my shoes. And it's a long walk going to that Nude beach, but we will keep on going because I want to show you that Nude beach. There are already some people that went through here. As you can see, there are some footprints. So if you are planning to come here in Nude beach, here in Samurai Beach, all you need to go to, for to be easy, is to go to 1 Mile Beach. And then yeah, because in there you can park your car, your bike, and then you can walk 1 Mile Beach all the way to this Samurai Beach. There is just a little rocky area that divides the 1 Mile Beach and this Samurai Beach. And from here I can already see the camping ground for the caravan. Yeah, here in Port Stephen area, that's the only camping ground that is allowed. I mean, it's free, but still you need to register to the New South Wales government. Yeah, it's not caravan park, it's just a camping ground. There's no facilities, and it says that if you camp in there, you must have your own toilet and things like that. Actually, with the texture of the sand, yeah, a bike can actually go through in here. My bike can go through in here. It's just that the problem is yeah, going up from there. Yeah, we are now here in the camping ground, and I can already see nude people. And this is the Nude Beach. Yeah, there are many people in there with their cars, and I see some nude people, but still also some yeah, people wearing clothes. There are some kids also, so this one is open for freedom, you know. Yeah, that's it. We don't take pictures and videos near to the people because we respect their privacy. And we are now back here in the sand dunes. I can see from here that there are also some people walking on that side. Yeah, so probably their cars is not four-wheel drive. Oh, one thing I noticed that, yeah, this nude beach is actually open for everyone, even for kids, because I saw many kids in there. Yeah, and there are some people who are actually nude, and some that are yeah, normal, wearing their bikini trunks, a normal t-shirt like this. Maybe I am the weirdest because I am wearing this long sleeve and this work shoes. Those people, they are thinking that I am weird, but no problem for me. Yeah, I choose to wear like this because yeah, this is protection for from the sun. There is one solo guy in there. This one solo girl in here. There is a couple behind this and if you remember, we went to that far side. That is where the 1 Mile Beach is, and it's connected with this Samurai Beach. There's nothing really much to see here in Samurai Beach. The only, yeah, it's just a nude beach. I mean, people can have freedom to swim in there naked. Those couple, they are having a picture of each other. Up there na.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful here.
Very different, isn't it?
Yeah, when I get up here, I was surprised to see this.
Oh, you were surprised? Yeah. There's a walk through the bush there.
It's funny. Okay. There are still some people up there, and I actually lost my bottled water. I wonder how I lost that. Yeah, I didn't stop somewhere in there. I just drink, and then after that I forgot what happened. I'm actually very thirsty. Good thing I still have a little bit of cold coffee in here. And that's it. I'm not really satisfied with that Samurai Beach because I didn't able to take a video. It's alright because you know, respecting people is more important than showing it to you, you know. Yeah, what I want to say is that at least you have an idea how it looks like in there in Samurai Beach. And that is actually the last beach for today. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my video, and yeah, thank you very much. And we are now back here in the rough road. Yeah, traffic is building here a little bit, and people are having a hard time to go to the other side because there are many cars that are coming. And this time we are now just 5 minutes away from the house. Yeah, so I'll see you later. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you may be considering coming here in Port Stephen, Nelson Bay area. It is really beautiful in here.